to round brush, tips on round brushing, okay? First tip is you want to round brush until it's almost dry. I've already round brushed this, so you don't have to watch it all. Definitely take sections, okay? I take sections after you dry it to about this dry. You can see still a little bit damp, but pretty much, you know, pretty dry. Okay, after you dry it to where it's like this, you're going to take sections. I take about that much. That's it, okay? Some people think if they take big sections, they're gonna hurry and round brush it fast. Wrong, okay? If you take littler sections, you hurry and round brush it, you're set. You take another one, you know, little section, round brush it, you're set. It's so much easier. The other hair that I just clip it out of the way why I round brush the other. Okay. The other tip I have on round brushing is, okay, so I'm just gonna push this way, is for volume. Okay. When you round brush, you want to pull straight up from your head. Okay. This is going to give you, you can even kind of go the opposite way if you would like. Does that make sense? Can go this way or straight up. This is going to give you more volume when you round brush. Okay, same thing back here. You're going to go straight up. The reason you want to get your hair as dry as possible without being dry is because it's going to pull your hair. If it's too wet, it's really, really hard on your hair. So if you are noticing that you have, you know, your hair is a little rough, maybe that's one of the tips that you can use to help you keep your hair healthy, is drying your hair more before you round brush. Okay, now, and you can see how that has more body? Then every time after I round brush, I just take my flat iron and just go through it. Okay. Okay, now the next section, I like to take on the very top, again, come straight up. I mean, when you take a little section, it doesn't take long to dry the section you're drying, okay? Okay, now this side, just come straight up. On this side. Sorry, all right, now let's take the flat iron through it. Okie dokie, guys. So that is our tip of the week. on how to round brush correctly. So I appreciate you guys tuning in, and I hope you have a great week, and we'll see you next tip. Thank you.